Revolvers are like that old rock band you thought was done. Then they drop a new album that slaps harder than ever. The 2025 SHOT Show just proved it with 12 fresh wheel guns that are turning heads and emptying wallets. Whether you're a concealed carry junkie, a competition fiend, or a sucker for timeless classics, there's a revolver here that'll make you drool. Americans are scrambling to get their hands on these bad boys. And honestly, I'm right there with them. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's dive into 12 standouts that'll have you itching to hit the range. Trust me, this is the good stuff. Lipsy's exclusive Ruger SP-101. Alright, first up, the Ruger SP-101 in .327 Federal Magnum. Ruger and Lipsy's cooked up something special here. You're getting 6 rounds instead of the usual 5 you'd see in a .357 Magnum snubby. That extra shot, it's like having an ace up your sleeve when the chips are down. The .327 Federal hits like a freight train somewhere between a hopped-up .38 Special Plus P and a .357 Magnum. But this thing's built like a tank. 27 ounces of all-steel muscle with a 3-inch barrel, so it soaks up recoil like a sponge. I've shot featherweight revolvers that'll make your hands scream. This one's smoother than a jazz solo. Sights are dialed in 2 adjustable rear and a gold bead front that pops like a neon sign. If you're hunting for a belt carry piece that's tougher than a $2 steak and won't leave you crying, this is your huckleberry. The Lipsy's Ruger SP-101 offers rugged versatility. $859. Ruger LCR 32 H&R Magnum. Moving on to the Ruger LCR in .32 H&R Magnum. This little beast is lighter than your excuses for skipping the gym, just 13.9 ounces with an aluminum frame, and it's made for disappearing into your pocket or waistband like a ninja. The .32 H&R Magnum's the dark horse of revolver rounds. Pair it with Hogue Tamer grips, and you're slashing recoil by 30–40% compared to a .38 Special. That's the difference between a handshake and a high five from Thor. You can even dial it back to 32 S&W long or 32 S&W for laid-back plinking. 6 rounds, a double-action trigger smoother than a politician's promise, and a bronze finish that's slicker than a greased pig. I used to think revolvers were too clunky for carry. Then I shot this. Now I'm a believer. Priced at only $739, Lipsy's Ruger LCR provides low recoil carry capability. Diamondback SDR 9mm. Let's talk Diamondback SDR in 9mm. This thing's tiny like, did I just pocket a mouse? Tiny, but it's got the heart of a lion. The double action trigger's smooth as butter at 9–11 pounds. Single action's crisper than fresh lettuce at 3.5 pounds. And the fiber optic sights are like cheat codes for your aim. Stainless steel frame, 2-inch barrel, and a finish so shiny it'll make your ex jealous. It comes with 3 moon clips for reloads faster than a pit stop in NASCAR. At 21 ounces, it's got enough heft to feel like a real gun, not a toy. If you want a concealed carry piece that's small but punches way above its weight, this is your pocket rocket. Estimated at $740 to $800, the Diamondback SDR is a prime choice for concealed carry. Taurus Judge Toro. You know the Taurus Judge, right? It's the revolver that moonlights as a shotgun. The Toro version is like the Judge, but on steroids. Same 410 bore and 45 long Colt. Goodness. But now it's optics ready. Slap a red dot on there and you're picking off targets like you're playing Call of Duty. The standard takes 2.5-inch shells. The Magnum flexes with 3 inchers. Either way, that dot turns you into a sharpshooter. It's loud, it's big, and it's a hell of a good time, literally. Perfect for home defense or scaring the hell out of snakes. I watched a buddy turn a target into Swiss cheese with one, and I've been a fan ever since. The Taurus Judge Toro, ideal for home defense or the range, is available for $630 to $680. Smith & Wesson Model 327WR. Buckle up for the Smith & Wesson Model 327WR. This 8-shot 9mm is the Ferrari of revolvers, built by the Performance Center and blessed by Jerry Miculek himself. He used this design to obliterate 6 plates in 1.88 seconds. That's faster than you can say damn. Titanium cylinder keeps it light as a feather. A 5-inch ported barrel tames recoil like a lion tamer. And the trigger is incredibly smooth. It's optics ready with a Vortex comp dot included. Only 1/800 exist, so it's rarer than a unicorn. If you're chasing competition glory, or just want a revolver that screams, "I'm the best," this is your golden ticket. Expensive hell? Yeah. Worth it. Every penny. The Smith & Wesson Model 327WR delivers elite performance at a premium estimated price of $1,600 to $1,800. Henry Golden Boy. All right, shifting gears a bit, let's take a look at the Henry Golden Boy in 22 LR. Henry's the king of lever actions, but their first revolver. They knocked it out of the park. 10 rounds of 22 LR enough to plink till your trigger finger begs for mercy. It's got that cowboy swagger with brass accents and walnut grips, but it's not stuck in the past. Transfer bar safety, a 4-inch barrel that feels like an extension of your hand, and front sights you can swap like socks. Choose a gunfighter grip for control or a bird's head for stashing it away. The cylinder pops out faster than a jack-in-the-box for easy cleaning. At $928, it's not cheap, but it's like buying a vintage car. It'll only get better with age. I'd bet my last box of ammo this one's going to be a legend. Taurus 608 Competition. Taurus is throwing its hat in the ring with the 608 Competition, their first stab at a revolver built for the competitive crowd. This bad boy rocks an 8-round cylinder. Yep, 8 shots of .357 Magnum, leaving those standard 6 shooters in the dust. The trigger's custom-tuned and adjustable right out of the box so you can tweak it to your liking without a trip to the gunsmith. It's cut for moon clips, making reloads faster than you can say timers ticking. With a 6-inch bull barrel and a hefty 51-ounce frame, it's built for stability and precision. If you're into USPSA or just want a wheel gun that hangs with the semi-auto cool kids, this one's got game. The Taurus 608 Competition offers custom-tuned precision estimated from $900 to $1,000. Colt Blued Python. The Colt Python is back, and this time it's rocking that classic blue finish that makes revolver nerds weak in the knees. Colt resurrected the Python a few years ago, and now they've dropped this beauty with a 4.25-inch barrel. Dark wood grips with the Colt medallion check. It's pure eye candy, but it's not just a pretty face. The top strap's reinforced for extra durability, and it eats .357 Magnum or .38 Special for breakfast. The sights are on point, red ramp front, adjustable rear. Whether you're a purist who worships at the altar of Colt, or just want a piece of history that shoots straight, this Python's got your number. The Colt Blued Python, blending classic appeal with modern reliability, is a worthwhile investment at $1,300. North American Arm Sentinel. Next up, the North American Arm Sentinel, a pint-sized powerhouse in .22 Magnum. This 5-shot revolver is all about deep concealment. It's the kind of gun you forget you're carrying until you need it. It borrows a tactical vibe from the Pug and the slick reload system from the Sidewinder. You can even swap in a 22 LR cylinder for some budget-friendly plinking. The pebbled grip keeps it steady, and you've got options for dot or tritium sights. Stainless steel means it's tough as nails, perfect for a backup or oh crap moments. It won't replace your main carry, but it's a sneaky little lifesaver. The North American Arm Sentinel, a compact option, is estimated affordably at $450 to $500. Taurus 692 Executive Grade. The Taurus 692 Executive Grade is the Swiss Army knife of revolvers. It's chambered for .357 Magnum, .38 Special, and 9mm thanks to swappable cylinders. Switching calibers takes seconds, no tools needed. Taurus gave this one the premium treatment, satin stainless finish, ported barrel to cut recoil, and wood grips that scream class. The trigger's silky smooth and the brass front sight adds a touch of swagger. It's part of their executive grade line, so the fit and finish are dialed up to 11. If you want one gun that can do it all, self-defense, range, fun, you name it, this is your jackpot. The Taurus 692 Executive Grade stands out as a versatile masterpiece at $980. Colt Kodiak. For the hunters out there, the Colt Kodiak in .44 Magnum is your new best friend. This beast packs 6 rounds of wallop with a ported barrel to keep the muzzle from doing a backflip, and Hogue grips to soak up the recoil. The stainless steel frame is built to last, and the ventilated rib helps you line up your shot. Red ramp front sight, adjustable rear, perfect for tagging big game. At 48.5 ounces, it's not exactly a featherweight, but that's what it takes to wrangle .44 mag. Whether you're in bear country or just want to flex at the range, the Kodiak's got your back. The Colt Kodiak is a robust, heavy-hitting revolver built for the outdoors, estimated at $1,500 to $1,600. Colt Grizzly .357 Magnum rounding out. The list is the Colt Grizzly, a .357 Magnum built for the wild. It's got a polished stainless frame with a matte top rib to kill glare, and an unfluted cylinder for extra toughness. Those Hogue grips are back, keeping your hand happy, and it's lighter than the Kodiak at 41.1 ounces. 6 rounds of 357 Magnum adjustable sights. It's ready for anything the backcountry throws at you. This is Colt blending old-school craftsmanship with modern grit, making it the perfect trail companion. If you're hiking where the bears roam, the Grizzly's your guy. The Colt Grizzly in 357 Magnum serves as a reliable backcountry guardian, estimated between $1,400 and $1,500. These 12 revolvers from the 2025 SHOT Show are proof that wheel guns aren't just surviving, they're thriving. From the Lipsy's exclusive Ruger SP101 rugged reliability to the Colt Grizzly's backcountry prowess, they're rewriting the revolver story with power, precision, and style. Whether you're a plinker, a competitor, or a hunter, one of these guns is calling your name. So which one's got you ready to hit the range? Drop it in the comments. Smack that like button like you're racking a slide, and subscribe for more gun talk that hits the mark. Let's keep the wheel gun love alive.